So this Yong have two LED lights in the front. Also link in the description if you want to get it, if you want to buy it. I just modified I just put the LED lights and that's all. So let me show you. It takes two 888 batteries. It's just wired through the battery compartment, and the way to put it back in is just hold the wires together like that, so you don't pinch them, and there it goes. And then you just put the screw on and that's it. And there it goes. Let's put it on the track. So it looks really cool at night with a low light. Really nice lights on this Yong. This is a Trackmaster 2 or Revolutions model. And remember, the link is in the description.